What does art mean to you personally?
It means a kind of deep second vision of the world, you know, a world that doesn't appear automatically to you, but is a kind of revelation. Sometimes I think, well, you know, we expect kids to love music. It's everywhere with them. They can take it around, Spotify it, whatever. Art, it's sort of the same. It's a kind of natural instinct. It's not an add-on to their life. They like excitement and being startled and being surprised and taken out of rotten routine. And that's actually what art is.
How long have you been interested in art/history?
You know, I was born in 1945, a really long time, while the war was still going on, although close to the end of the war. So I grew up when I was not your age so much, but even younger, in London, which was a broken city. It was full of ruins from the bombing. For me, colour and life was the kind of romance of the past, you know, it's what had happened hundreds of years ago. So art actually was like having a new pair of eyes. You know, it was sort of blaze of colour.
Simon has taken them on incredible journeys. He's opened up their eyes, he's painted incredible pictures and captured their imagination.
Education is not just about kind of practical skills, so-called. It's about actually taking what you need to lead a truly rich life.